Gemini mobile app review. First, let me introduce Gemini mobile app. It is a secure and user-friendly cryptocurrency trading app known for its strong regulatory compliance and insurance protections. It's a great option for both beginners and experienced traders looking for a reliable platform. Installation and setup. Setting up an account is quick and secure, requiring identity verification and a linked payment method before trading. Next, key features: buy, sell, and store 70+ cryptocurrencies, earn interest on crypto holdings through Gemini Earn, advanced trading tools via Active Trader, and strong security measures, including insured assets and multi-layer protection. In terms of performance and usability, the app is well designed and easy to navigate, making it great for beginners. However, trading fees can be higher compared to other exchanges. Pros and cons: pros, regulated and secure platform, simple interface for beginners, and earn interest on crypto. Cons: higher fees than Binance US or Kraken, and limited selection of altcoins. Compared to Coinbase, Gemini offers better security features but has higher trading fees. In conclusion, Gemini is a top choice for security-conscious investors, offering a regulated platform with an easy-to-use app. However, fees can be high, making it less ideal for frequent traders. And that's all for this review. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.